Where you going? Where you going? See Nyla? Can you bring your milk back here? Bring me your milk. Bring me your milk. Please. Okay. Is it good? Can I have your cup? You gonna share with Nyla? No? Why? You gonna share? Let me see.
I want some of this.
Can you leave it in here?
Want some of this? Want some of this?
Can you leave your cup in? Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
What was that? You growling? Uh-oh. You spilled it.
Wait, damn it.
Don't spill. Uh-oh. You spilled again.
Wait there, wait there.
Drink it. Cohen, drink it.
Cohen. I'm right there.
Cohen. Hey. Say Nyla.
Lala?
Max. Are you trying to spill it now? Oh. Cohen. Okay, give me your cup. All right. Cohen. What'd you do? What did you do? Did you spill your milk? Say yes.
Going.
Don't teach him to do that. Cohen, who's going to clean that mess?
He got some in his hair too in his forehead.
Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Oh, man.